Fuck! Yes! Fucking finally! Oh my god! Well, this took way too long. Jesus Christ. I gotta be honest. Practicing and learning it wasn't all that bad. I actually really enjoyed it because once you get better at the duels and that, it actually feels really fun. But holy shit, did I rage with this level. There are just a few sections in the duel and the slow wave section in the middle that just pissed me off. Oh my god, it pissed me off. Like, there are a few rage moments that I just straight up deleted because they were too cringeworthy to watch again. I know a lot of you would probably enjoy it, but I just had to delete it. They were so cringeworthy. Jesus Christ, man. I mean, at least I got another insane demon. That's cool. Shout out to PVZ Lover for, you know, uploading this level. So I went for it because if he didn't, I probably wouldn't even check it out. But this is, I wouldn't say it's an easy insane demon because there are definitely easier insane demons in the game, but it's not like a super challenging insane demon, right? Now, considering I beat this on mobile, give me some respect, okay? It's not that easy on mobile, especially some hard presses. My thumb hurts, man. But I am glad that I like, from the head right now, I can't really remember, but I think I fluked the last like 30%. But that's also because the last 30% are pretty easy compared to the rest of the level, which I very much appreciate. And that's the best thing about this level. The ending doesn't suck, the song is cool, I like the decoration, but some of the gameplay in the duel are cancer. But I'm glad I'm done, man. I did this in one sitting, took me like 3 hours, but I'm glad I'm done. Not my hardest level, but definitely one of the hardest. So yeah. Almost 2,000 attempts. Glad I didn't go past that point. That's pretty cool. And it's definitely insane demon for me. I don't care how much skill you have. This is insane demon. If you're mobile, definitely. But it feels good, man. It's been a while. Like, since my 1,000 demon that was Inscape, I haven't really beaten another insane. So yeah, I'm actually pretty proud of this. Let's go. Okay, 15. Yeah, that's pretty good. Mostly, yeah, a lot of grinders, demon grinders. Okay, I'll just comment this because I don't know. Let's go, man. My 11th insane demon. Yes.